Hi, my name is BREGJE and you are watching Estona tutorials. And if you are watching this video, you are not currently on my subscriber feed, so you can watch a part of this video, but if you want to get the full experience, then please hop on over to Patreon and you can find me at patreon.com/Estona_tutorials. I hope I'll see you there. I promised you in my previous tutorial I would get back to you on this one, mainly to show you how you can enlarge a ring, and the measurements are the same for whatever type of ring you're making, so you can use this to your advantage. And a small side note here. As you can see, I didn't finish this ring how I normally would, but that was because this was just an example ring. Now I am going to size it up, clean it up, and you will get to see how this one should look. So we have a 13.5 ring. Let's say we want to make this into a size 17. And I'm talking about European sizes here, and the European ring size is very simple. It's the actual inner diameter in millimeters. And now for some mathematics. I have a ring size of 13.5 here. I am going to add the thickness of my material, which is 2 millimeters. And I am going to multiply that number by 3.14. So the ring strip at this moment is 48.67, and if I want the ring to be a size 17, I am going to do the same, 17 plus 2 millimeters for the thickness of the ring, and I am going to multiply that number by pi, and I am left with this figure here. And now it's very easy. I am going to take a 59.66 millimeters and I'm going to subtract 48.67 and we're left with this number. And now we know that the ring strip that we are going to add to the ring should have a length of 11 millimeters. I am going to cut this open at the soldering seam. And I'm going to anneal this ring, which will make it a lot easier to open it up. I am going to place this one in the pickle solution so that it's nice and clean for soldering. Meanwhile, we are going to make the piece that will go in between.